order filled.
Yeah. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Um, Let me get this clock up and running again. I swear, sometimes this clock kind of pisses me off, but it's. Mhm. All right. So hopefully I don't have to. Good morning, Tommy. Good morning. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So isn't something new technical difficulty that's for no reason happening? Okay. So that's okay. Yeah. What's up, Smith? Let me open up the chat. I thought the Discord was already open. I might have to update this. Okay. Yeah, my bad. All right. Okay, my bad. There you go. What's up, Smith? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. I don't know. My computer did something crazy last night, man. I think it tried to restart, but I guess it must have failed to restart. I'm kind of glad it did not because, yeah, I don't want, well, I guess I have to update it because this stupid clock is not working. And usually when I have to update the drivers and things like that, or the computer needs to update the drivers, it starts acting up. So, for those that showed up at the NA meeting last night, we took a trade in the sim with gold, and look at that baby run. Look at that entry. Look, I think I'm up in the sim, of course. Obviously, that's when all the good trades work out in the damn sim. But yeah, we took this trade on the sim. And currently on 3 contracts, I'm up 6K. Yo, what the fuck? Ah, damn. All right, yo, I'm up 6K right now in this trade. 6 freaking K. What the fuck, man? Ah, hmm. Huh. Huh. Yo, Smith, I don't know what to feel about that, man. I'm up 6K in a gold trade right now on 3 contracts. Huh. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about that one. All right. So so my biggest trades this week were the ones where I was in the sim. There was no emotions, and I just followed the structure and took the trade and didn't really care about the outcome. This is why I always talk about using real accounts to practice trades because there was no emotions in these trades. Win or lose, it was no skin off my nose, or wherever that saying goes. And I made $7,200 on a trade yesterday, and I'm up 6K on this trade right now. And both of my entries were pristine. Obviously I'm here at 78. I mean, I only took about a couple of points in drawdown. What is that? Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. But anyway, we did catch initially. We did have a short here, and I think I had a scale in somewhere right here or something like that. I had a scale in here. Initially, this was up like 60 ticks or something. This short right here was up obviously about 90, and this drop right here is, I guess, the obviously the money making move. But I guess we'll start to continue. Well, we'll continue to look at gold. But being up 6K in this position in the sim, I'm not gonna lie, that hurts my feelings. That definitely hurts my feelings, man. Um, we did talk about the Nasdaq and the ES still having room for downside. Um, we did see a sell-off last night in the Nasdaq. Let me see if I can. No, that's the 60-minute chart. Yeah, we did see this sell-off in the Nasdaq last night, but the bulls were able to trade right back into this range. Sure. The bulls were able to trade right back into this range, and I do see more room for downside. My target or the area that I'm looking for is either going to be the bottom of this range right here or the top of this range at 909. Now, of course, that's not open. Of course, it's not. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to. I'm just gonna have to allow the computer to restart, but obviously afterwards. See afterwards. Um, because that's not even starting up, and all the tools that I need are not working. I gotta love it. Okay. All right, so I gotta let my computer update. So my pen tool's not, the pen tool application is not working, and the clock tool application is not working. I did get that message to update my computer this morning, but I was not about to play that game with this computer. But I guess I should have. So we'll just continue without it. So yeah, so I'm going to be looking for this area right here, or we're going to be looking for this area right here. I do have my eye more on this range right here, and a little bit underneath it to kind of catch some of this right here. But I have my eye on this area. We do have news at 8:45, and then right 15 minutes after, we do have some housing news, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we have some existing home sales, and we have the S&P Global Composite Manufacturing and Service PMI coming out in the next 5 minutes, I believe. Yeah, that damn clock. Yeah, in the next 5 minutes. So we'll be looking to see how the market reacts to that. If the market chooses to trade to the upside, because I do see that they swept the liquidity beneath these lows, and from here we can see the bulls are trying to rotate the market higher. However, depending on how the market really wants to trade today, we may see some chop to the upside, and we may see chop to the downside as well. We just got to be prepared for chop today. But we'll cross that bridge when we cross that bridge. I think right after we get this news, the market's going to come alive. So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm going to be looking for. And we're just going to have to see what happens. Actually, I might as well just project these ranges into next week, because there's no new ranges that's formed. So I'll just project this into next week until we leave this area, and then we can always come back and reference this area in the future. Of course. Yeah, of course. Yeah, we could definitely potentially run these highs if we do get that squeeze. We're just going to need some price action. I'm pretty sure the bears are going to come back in here. We're going to need for the bulls to hold up this area before we see a move to the upside into this range. Where honestly, this is where I believe the bear is at 214, at 220 area, where we got that bounce. Yeah, I do feel that maybe the bears will come right back here, because we did get that break of structure here. Price hasn't come back and retested this area yet. So around that 117 to 120 area is where I expect the bears to come back in if we do see price trade higher into this area. So that's what I'm going to be looking for if we move to the upside. So we got a plan for the downside and a plan for the upside. You said what?
I'm looking at, I feel like the bears are going to try to get price a little bit lower to like 915 is what I was looking at. I was looking at this yesterday too. We get close, but the bulls came back. I think they want to take it somewhere down there, maybe a little bit lower. Man comes in.
I definitely agree with you, man. I definitely agree.
But, yeah, we probably won't get that until all this news comes out, though, like you said.
I'm still looking for that 518 entry, 515 entry on the ES. But I just have this feeling that they're going to try to take out last week's low or last week's close. I keep saying low for some reason. I just have a feeling that they're going to take that out, and that entry, that 518 entry, 514 entry is not going to it's not going to pan out. But I will still take the trade. I will still take it. But did I tell you? Yeah, did I tell you about this gold trade? We're just gonna. Oh my God! Look at this gold trade. Oh my God! Why did I? Yo, I'm up 150 ticks on this gold trade right now.
When did you get in that?
Last night. $15 freaking dollars. Yo, what? Dude, I'm up like 9K in this. Oh, okay, I'm up 66K or $6,600 in this position. Man, man,
congrats.
man. Oh shit! Did you just see gold?
What?
Did you just see
No.
gold? Yo, I'm up
Oh,
8K.
damn.
Oh my god, I'm up 8K in the sim. Oh my god.
Dang.
Oh my
Oh, the news.
god.
The news, yeah. Right?
Oh. Oh.
Oh, yeah, 45. What news was
Yeah.
that?
Dude, the S&P composite manufacturing and services. Yo, this is the same trade from last night. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, I'm so freaking mad. I'm up 8K now. 8K in the sim. Uh, man, that hurts. Oh man, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Oh my God, that hurts. Oh my God, that hurts. Actually, I did get triggered into my all right, man. So gold, huh?
Is it gold, huh? That is too funny.
Two of my biggest trades in the sim, baby. My biggest trades, sim. What the fuck? Oh man. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Mm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to, man. This is why I don't trade in the sim. But nah, I'm gonna have to, man. I gotta take a picture of this. I gotta take a screenshot of this. Uh, biggest trade, sim, gold. Okay.
Results yesterday.
You said what?
I'll send results from yesterday.
What are you talking about?
32K.
Oh, okay.
That I
Oh,
made
okay.
in
Oh,
the
yeah, in the
sim.
sim? Yeah. Yo, that sim is powerful, man. It's you really don't. Yeah, that sim is powerful. It's no emotions to it. That's why making that money in the sim doesn't really. All right, so I got that 20 entry with ES. I think I think this goes, man. We'll keep we'll keep the targets the way that they are. We'll keep it the way that they are. We keep it the way that they are. If it does want to come back and fill this order. And this, okay, so let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. You see where this is orange? So that Friday where the market pumped, super pumped up, this is what my targets did. This, or I can't move it. But if the market touches this area, it's going to fill it. And when I caught the bottom of ES and my targets popped up and they were all orange and I couldn't move it, and then it went all the way up to like 45. That's when I went tilt that day. That's the reason why, because of that. And I've never experienced this, only on when I trade MFF with Ninja Trader 8. Hmm. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't come to that. Let's see if we can get our first target hit. I'm pretty sure. We'll see. We'll see. Because we did trade back into this range. I think they're going to try to sell it down. But honestly, the way that We tapped this area and it ran. I think this is gonna run. I think we about to run, yo. We got the 9 o'clock algo that's about to come up. I think this goes to 65 today. I think we're getting up here. I think we're retesting that. No. Take off one of these. Get up here too. All right, man. So let's see. Let me save this real quick. All right. So it does look like they're coming back into this range and they sold it. If I get stopped out of this one, I think they're trying to come for this. You said what?
Oh damn! So they're trying to get to my target. See if we can get to it. I took the shorts, man. It was building up. I was like, so my target was like, what did I say, like 915, 916. I'm kind of front running.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. Okay. So if you look at my chart, I mean, just trail it. You are so price is trying to bounce off this previous value area low. We do got a strong low at 904, so you may get it. Honestly, you may get it, but I know you're trailing it. You're trailing it. And you got this area of consolidation right here. You said what?
I said I didn't realize how much I was up already. I could call it here. Matter of fact, I should, but it's like I said, I will if it hits this trail. Otherwise, I'm just gonna let it run and see what happens. And
oh yeah, you gotta go back to this gold trail. What the hell, yo? No, I want. Yo, that shit is
still dropping.
Yo, this shit is still dropping, yo. Oh hell no, dude.
Oh.
Huh. Yo, this is a stupid trade that I took at the SIP. Yo, how much am I up? Ow! Ow! Oh my god, that hurts. Oh my god, that freaking hurts, yo. That hurts.
You sold?
Oh my god, that hurts. Oh man, that hurts, man. That hurts. That hurts.
I'm all out.
Okay.
Got hit.
That hurts, man.
All out. I was up about 3K.
You said 3K?
I was. I gave back $300 though. Hit my trail. You know how that goes.
Yeah.
The curse.
All right, so we got a double bottom here. We got a double bottom here at this level. No, I think 15 contracts is enough. That's enough. 15 micro contracts is enough. Okay, so I might want to. Okay, we got the 9 o'clock algo coming up in 5 minutes. Remember that wasn't even a 9 o'clock algo. All right, so we got this double bottom. I'm going to add 6 more contracts to this position. And if I can, what I want to do, put this right here underneath this low. Give it 5 points of risk. Because we got this double bottom. So I'm going to make the assumption that the market wants to continue to go up. And if not, I've managed my risk. Honestly, it shouldn't even go below this low for real. But I'm going to give it 2 points. I'll keep my stop right here. I'll keep it right there. Okay. Wow. Biggest gold trade in the sim. So when we was looking at gold last night, I saw this area. So let me just really walk through this trade, man, because man, we literally nicked the top during last night's meeting. I'm really proud of that. We set up the charts last night. You can see that it bounced on every level. I mean, it got ran through. So what this tells me is that these levels are legit. It's just that unfortunately the bears weren't able, not the bears, but the bulls weren't able to come in because you can see that they tried, but the bears were just too strong on the way down. So it was just too strong on the way down. And yeah, we might be coming back down here. So if gold drops, that means the dollar must have pumped. Let's look at that. Dollar must have pumped. And if the dollar pumped, that means that indices are probably about to drop today. Yeah, gold pump. Gold pump. So, or not gold, the dollar pumped. So the dollar is up. Did we get a drop yesterday in the dollar? We didn't. I don't think we got a drop yesterday in the dollar. I think the dollar went up right along with gold. Like, what the hell happened yesterday? What? Hold on. Hold on. What happened? You know, the gold and the dollar both went up yesterday. How the fuck did that happen? Huh? That's interesting. This is why sometimes macro analysis and all that other stuff, it just doesn't work. Sometimes it doesn't work. Like if you was trading gold yesterday and you saw the dollar continue to trade up, as gold also went up, that probably would that fucked with some people. That fucked with a lot of gold traders yesterday. And honestly, that's probably why that move up on gold might have been a stop run, because everybody was thinking, oh, the dollar is rising, so we need to short gold. And I think that's probably what happened. That move up on gold was probably a short squeeze, because everybody was trying to short gold. Yeah, right after the market broke out of this high, this is a short squeeze high. Okay. Or I can make the assumption that it's a short squeeze higher. All right, man. All right. So how do I want to play this? So we'll take off 7 at 33 right before VWAP. Like I said, I think the market is planning on trading to the upside today. Got 7 here. I think we got one more hoorah rally. I really think the market is trying to get back up into this range, and that's what I'm going to target. I'm targeting up into this range. And I'm not going to make the mistake that I did yesterday. I'm going to take my profits at 10. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Come on, baby. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ugh. All right. You know what what I should do is once it touches like 10, I should set my stop to automatically come up so I don't have to rely on me doing it because I already know I won't do it. Dude, you better hit that damn target, dude. Ah, oh, dude. Dude, come on. Wow. 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 All right. I'm actually going to do that now. Actually, no, I'll do that later. Wow, dude. Wow. 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 I got missed literally by a tick. By a tick. Thing missed me by a tick. Can't believe that happened. Hmm. So it seems like they're trying to come in at this point of control at 32. We first got to break out of this range. I mean, we did get a range breakout, but they did come back into this range. But it does appear that they're going to try to continue to trade higher. That's what it appears like, even though the bears are trying to sell this down. Hmm.
How about my call out for that 9? You said 9:15 bounce. It bounced to 9:14.
Yeah, well, congratulations. What made you think that 914 bounce would work out?
Well, I just saw it on the 4-hourly.
The 4 hour?
4 hour. 4 hour. Saw some demand right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of figured that it was going to either hit that 909, that 9 area, so it missed this range by 7 points. But the bears are trying to sell it here at this range. But I don't think they're going to be successful. I mean, this area right here and the area on the ES is a good area for the bulls to come in. They did come in those areas. The question is, are these areas good enough for the market to try to trade higher and retest some of this higher structure up here. So far, it's looking good. So far, it does look like we're going to trade higher on both instruments. So, yeah, I think we're good. Did you catch that long at 9:14? Did you take it, or you let this one go?
I didn't.
Now you let it go.
Yeah, you know why I didn't take it? Because it missed my my short by like my TP by like a couple ticks. I'm like, why have I been doing that lately? The past couple of days, it's just been a few ticks.
Yeah.
Maybe I need to start myself a little bit more. Front run the front run.
Yeah, it's definitely frustrating. It's definitely frustrating because I missed my first target by a tick, and what I'm hoping that doesn't happen is I get a breakdown and a retest of my break even, because I could have added more if I took this first target. I was just kind of hoping that it would just hit my target and I don't have to deal with this, but we didn't get that. And hopefully I don't learn that. Oh yeah, let me talk about yesterday. So yesterday I did have 3 accounts with MFF, and all yesterday I blew those accounts. I blew every single one of them. And this scenario like this where I'd be up, it missed my target, and it's either I was up, it missed my target, or I'll be up and I put my targets out too far. And so the market would roll right back over on me. And yesterday, because of that, I sent Smith a meme of a clown that was inflicting pain on itself, and then it dramatically fell to the floor as if it was a victim. And that was me yesterday, my execution yesterday, because all the trades I took yesterday was profitable. All the trades I took yesterday had decent profit to it. I just wanted more. I wanted more, and I allowed the market to come back on me. Actually, if I can just show you like the trades I took and show you where I went wrong. I did catch these trades at the end of the day. I did catch those trades, but I was in this trade right here. And I was thinking that it was going to trade back into this range. The bear was like, nope. Got stopped out of that one. And then I saw that it ran this low, so I got in right here. I got this trade thinking that it was going to at least test this high. It said nope. And I blew both of my accounts, all my accounts in this little segment right here. Actually, where is this one? Because right after the stream, yeah. So yesterday, it was definitely all self-inflicted. News days are not necessarily my best days because of the erratic price action. Sometimes we don't get price to trade back into ranges. That's what I expect. And when that doesn't happen, well, but this does kind of look like a reversal pattern on the Nasdaq. Yo, no way. Why does she keep doing this? Why does she keep doing this, yo? Why? No way, man. You see that the ES missed my target even though I moved it down again? She missed it again. Like, dude, like, why are you doing this to me? What did I do to you? I didn't trade the Nasdaq yesterday. I didn't trade her.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. Whatever, man.
Front run.
Yeah. I mean, as long as I get that first target hit, I'll be happy with this trade. But I do believe that since the bears have yet to come in yet with some authority, I do have confidence in this long. it's always that first target that has the most pressure attached to it because it's your in profit. You feel, or at least your internal voice is telling you that it's going to reverse, it's going to reverse. And if you're a trader like me that wants every bit of juice squeezed from this lemon, I got my target literally almost what could be the top before a rotation to the other side. So it's always pressure on that first one. But if we get that first target, then everything else is gravy, just toppings on the cake. So obviously we missed that first target by a tick, which was disappointing. But like I said, I think this target, this trade will work. Okay, so I finally got that target hit in gold. So if I took that trade today, I would have been done for the day. 9K, 3 contracts on gold. Wow.
Dang.
9K. God, 160. Like 160 ticks. All right, we gotta start trading gold now. We gotta start trading gold because that's crazy, man. You said what?
I knew you was gonna say that.
We gotta start trading them now.
I knew you were gonna be saying that. Huh? Gold, huh?
Oh man, yeah, those are the kind of trades that you just, as a trader, that's the type of trades that you want. Low risk, high reward trades. I love these types of trades. That's why my trading style is tailored to this. Low risk, high reward. I love that. It's a great feeling. Have you ever looked at gold yourself? All right, first target hit, baby. All right, we got paid, baby. We got paid. First target hit. Now, what I could do and what I should do now that we got our first target hit is move my stop to break even +1. However, in this case, I don't want it to come back to my break even, so I'm going to reduce my risk to just a couple of points underneath this low. I don't want to get stopped out at break even. I will take some off here. Get that to the top of this range up here. I'll take some off right here. And we're going to let these contracts, we're going to let them run, baby. We're going to let them run. Good trade, good end of the week trade. And we got another win in the books. And this time I'm not gonna fumble the bag. I'm not fumbling the bag today. We got price acceptance above this range. So shorts, if you're trying to get into this short, I would reconsider. We at least got into, actually let me turn this chart trader off real quick so we can look at the charts. Excuse me. So the bears can possibly come here. They can definitely come in. They can try to rotate price lower here. However, that's not usually how the market works. We don't get reversals in the middle of the chart. Professional bears, like our boy gain weight or his friends. As a bear, we want to try to sell as high as possible. Especially people that's selling 100 lots, 1,000 lots. They're not shorting the middle of the chart. They want to get back up into these ranges, and this is where the risk reward for a short is in their favor, especially with all that size. And because of that, that is how my trading style is tailored. I try to think as institutionally as possible I'm thinking if I have 1,000 contracts where I'm going to place my trades at, and in the middle of the chart, obviously that's not going to be the place. So let me make sure I got that target filled. You bastard. Yo. Damn, ES. Why are you doing that to me? Thank you. All right. So now the rest is gravy, baby. I do expect for the Bears to come back possibly into this range. I do expect for a pullback here to the top of this range so the Bulls can prove that they want it. But if we continue to go higher and straight up into this range, I'm cool with that too. But all in all, this is a good trade. We've been talking about this 120 area all fucking week, and we got it. We got it. All right, so here come the Bears right here. They're gonna try. If I had my tools, I would have drew it out, but I don't. You can see that we had this break of structure here right at this level. You can see that they came back. The Bulls failed to rotate price higher, and they got this move down. And so the Bears, new Bears or unfilled order Bears, are now getting their orders filled here, and they're going to make an attempt to try to sell this market down. However, their stops is going to be used as fuel to push this market higher until we get into this range. I wonder if we're going to really get into this range, but honestly, I think we can possibly get all the way up here. And I already have my short position already primed and ready just in case. But I think this is where the big lot bears, the mega bears are sitting at right here. And the reason why I say, oh, actually, I don't think y'all guys can see this. Okay, so right here. If you look at these areas, you can see that this is where the bears came in. And this is right here is like the break of structure, the top of this range. So you can see where they came in. They tried to take it higher. And this is where they failed, right here. And that's where my entry long is, or my entry short, is I'm going to start a position here at 74. And I'm going to add on to this at 80 if need be. And as we talk, as we speak about this, you can see the bears are trying to come in and trying to sell this down right at that area, right at that structure break. But the way that this is looking, we about to get a pop up. Yeah, it's not gonna let me cancel this order for some reason. Uh, 9K just sitting there in the sim. So in the sim, so this week in the sim with 3 contracts, I made 15K just sitting in the sim. 15K, yes, or 7K yesterday, 9K today in the sim. I'm not gonna lie, Smith, that hurts, man. It absolutely hurts, man. I'm actually gonna move my stop into break even +1. Because I don't think they come back and double bottom this. I think this is going to continue to trade higher. You know what, man? Hold on. Let me move this down because the ES has definitely been she was hurt. She has definitely been hurting my feelings. I'll put that like a tick below there. Yeah, I'll put that right there. Hmm. Let's actually look at the ES real quick, or not the ES, the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq did get that break. You're not short. You're not still short, right, Smith? You're not still short, right?
No, I'm not.
Because this could be a good long opportunity right here. If the bulls can hold off this area right here, then we're definitely trading back into this range right here. If they can hold it, you see that they are trying to buy this. If they can hold this area, we're definitely trading into this range. So this was an 18 move. This was an 18-point move up to the upside. Uh, Hey Smith, I see you streaming in the Discord. You want to show your screen? You want to put your screen on the stream? I just wait for his answer. Honestly, this right here could have been a good area to add to this position, actually. This could have been a good instance to add and having a stop underneath this candle. In that 120 area was definitely worked. And I would have missed it too. Guess it really never got above it. Ah, shit. Could have sworn I had it somewhere. Yeah, because I really never traded outside of this range right here. Never really did. $447, $447. So it's this one right here. And then I probably 447 and 552. Okay, so that's how I did it. because technically it never really even did that. It did get a bounce there, and it was so perfect. That was perfect, and then it did that. And then it came back down. You would just have to been patient for it. And it double bottom and did that. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I know, Smith. I know. I know. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, well, that's kind of hard to understand. Okay, so for the ES traders, we'll see what happens. It does appear that we did get this big bullish engulfing candle. When price traded back into this range as we expected it, the bulls did come back in and they're trying to take it higher. However, the bears are trying to sell this down. They are trying to sell it, and they did come in here at this area. And so either we was going to trade straight back into this range, or the market was going to tap into this range, and the bulls are going to have to prove that they really wanted it. And so right now, the bulls are going to have to prove that they want it. But this bullish engulfing candle, that means that we did have buyers. You can still see that there's buyers buying in this range. We'll see. This position is protected. It would suck. I mean, honestly, it would suck if I get stopped out on this one. But as long as we don't go into the negative, I guess that's all that matters on this trade. But I do think, I mean, as long as we don't get a big red candle down, as long as we don't get a break of this range, the long should still be good. As long as we don't break this range right here. So let's look at Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq is doing the same thing. Yeah, I'm looking for the ES to possibly hold this 25 level right here. Yeah, 25. This is where I'm looking for ES to hold. Because it does look like the bulls are struggling, but I'm not going to get fooled by the candle movement. I'm just going to react to how the market or price, once it gets a break of structure here, then okay, I know that it's going to try to go lower. And we might actually see that the bears try to take out this low. Now, if we can get above this high and get above this high, then I know that they're trying to get back into this range up here. So we're just going to have to see on this one. Mm. Hmm. It does appear to be that way. It does appear to be that way. All right. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, that's what it's starting to look like for real. Yeah, we can definitely get to 60. So yeah. What I'm going to do. Hmm, no, I'm gonna keep it this way. So 56% of people on Top Step X is thinking that the market is going short. So that kind of gives me more confidence in this one. The last thing that the Bears want to happen is I do think that here at 25, 26, 25, we'll get a bounce. Now, this is what I don't want to happen. And this is what I'm debating with myself. Hopefully it doesn't come to that. I'm hoping it does not come to that. I'm hoping that the Bears can, or the Bulls can just hold off this area. But I do think that the market is trying to get back to 25, but my stop is here at 23. And I don't want to get ticked out of this. I don't want to get ticked out of this. But at the same time, I'm not going to, because what my mind is trying to convince me to do, or my internal voice is trying to move my stop out and put it back into risk and put it underneath this candle. Because right now, my biggest concern is getting ticked out of this trade and the market continuing higher without me. That's what my internal voice is concerned about right now. But if I'm wrong and the market does continue down and I do get stopped out here, obviously I took 23, about what, 23 for about 5 points of drawdown for no reason. So what I'm going to do is, if I get stopped out of this one, I'm going to see if the market does react here at this level. If it doesn't, then I'm going to be looking for the market to trade into this 500 level. And it would have been nice to actually try to be a part of this short, but I do have to remember that on the ES, from top to bottom, this was an 18-point move, and that's decent on the ES. All the EMAs are trying to slope lower. However, the bulls are still coming back into this range. So there are buyers here. There are definitely buyers here. The question is, are the buyers going to be able to absorb all this bearish price action? And if we can get a break of these highs, we can definitely trade back into these range, into this range. And the bears don't want that. The bears that are short right here, they're not going to want to be a part of this long going up on the wrong side. So they're definitely going to try to defend their positions as much as possible here. But I do see that the bears have tried once, they tried twice, 3 times, 4 times. And this is their 5th time trying to short this area right here. And they're trying to blast it off of it, but the bulls are still buying this up. So give me a second. All right, so we're back. Yeah, so yeah, I think yeah, the Bears have failed. We double bottom here into this range. The Bulls held it up. We going for these highs. So I think yeah, we're most likely going to trade right back into this range up here. I'm just glad that I didn't have to make the decision to try to find a re-entry into this. But still, we're not out of the water yet. Our target hasn't gotten hit, so the Bears can come in at any moment and try to whack this thing right back down. But for right now, the Bulls have been successful in holding this area up, proving to the Bears that they want it. And looking at Think with Bookmap's YouTube channel, the momentum does appear to be bullish. It does appear to be bullish on the Think with Bookmap channel. Let's look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is holding up this range. The same thing with the NQ. I'm sorry, with the ES. So if the Bears are going to be successful in holding off this high, they definitely are going to have to come in with some authority. However, it's highly unlikely for them to be successful here now that price is beginning to break out and trading in this range. It does appear that the bulls are going to be looking for higher prices to take some profit. So if you're short in the ES or in the Nasdaq, I'm not telling you how to manage your position. However, based on the structure, unless Crash Kari comes out and say some crazy shit, it's highly likely for the bulls to continue up until we get into this range. And this is where I believe that the bulls will probably take their profits. The bears will probably come in and sell it, and you'll get an easier short versus them breaking out of a range with authority. So just manage your position and try not to be liquidity for the market. Yeah. So let's see what they do here at this high. I'm actually going to take out 4 here. All right, I'm going to take 4 off right there at that high. And now this trade is basically gravy at this point. Every target is a runner target, and that takes the pressure off. Yeah, so this is a good trade. This is a great trade. I think I've realized about $900 in profits. So regardless of what happens, I'm going to trail this up because honestly, it shouldn't even take out that low right there. So now I'm going to pay myself 3 more points just in case price comes back. But I do kind of want to still. No, it shouldn't go below that low. If it goes beneath that low, then this trade is done. So yeah, so I've realized about $1,000 in profit. So that's good. Right now, just to show you my position, I only got $400 of unrealized profits. So, but I do believe the market will continue to trade higher. You can see after we got a sweep of this liquidity, the bears tried to come in one more time to try to protect their positions above this high. If the bears fail here, if they don't commit, they're going to fail. And all the stops, all the money that's above these highs is going to be used to push this market higher. So the bears are definitely going to have to come in with some authority right here, or they'll just be a liquidity donation as they always are. As they always are. Mm. That. I mean, is there going to be an easy way to track that? That's the question. Is there going to be an easy way to track that? Yeah, we'll be glad to have you, Jonathan. Anybody that chooses to join, that wants to trade with us, we'll be happy to have you. Happy to have you guys. All right, so it does look like the bears are trying to show that they are not weak out here, that they will not be used as liquidity no longer. They are definitely trying to short this down. But now the bears have to take out this low, and they're going to have to take out that area at 25 as well. This low right here. So honestly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this 1 point underneath this low right here, which is basically where I have my, I'm going to keep it right there just in case. Because I'm thinking that they're going to probably try to double bottom it right here at 25. Have this as a strong low for right now, and then come in right here at 25 if possible. But I mean, like I said, this is a clean trade. We made $900. A great way to end the day. Yep. Say good night, Bears. Say good night.
Yo, can y'all hear me? Okay.
Yes, yeah, Smith. I'm watching you perform miracles, man. I'm watching it right now.
No, it's not. Oh, look, that man, I'm so mad.
No, dude. I'm watching you perform miracles. You got to take a step back and acknowledge what you just did. No, you can't do that to yourself, bro. You can't do
I
that
didn't
to
do
yourself.
anything. I'm forced to stay in this. Like I would have been out a long time ago, but freaking stuff popping up and I can't say too much, right?
Yeah. I mean, dude, you're almost at the finish line, bro. You're almost there.
I should close this mess right here, but it's like you just sat through all of that. Can you at least get my targets now?
Bro, move your stop up the break even +1, dude. Yo, move your stop.
No, I sat through all of that. I'm getting my targets. Forget that.
Hey, move your stop to break even.
No.
I want my targets.
I'll watch you perform miracles. No, I ain't do nothing. I've been sitting here like, nah, I'm about to, you right though. Let's not be foolish. Just trail it.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, at this point, trail that damn thing, bro. Trail it, man. Trail it. Trail it, dude.
No. Alright, it just hit. Oh, wait, I'm still in one.
I mean, I would let that one run, dude. I mean, dude, dude, you came back from something that would break a lot of people, bro.
Man, I was sitting over here all in despair. I'm just like, man, F it. We're going to see what happens. I get pumped 40 points and then dump 24 points. I was sitting there watching that. I was like, oh my gosh.
How does he keep getting away with this?
I text Brianna because she's in there watching. I'm like, this is painful. So this is painful, man. That mess. So yeah, if you've been watching since I've been in this from the jump, I got in. Initially, it was in profit. And then dumped on me like I don't know how many points was that, like almost 40 plus points dumped on me. And then seeing the area get held off, obviously I'm just in a terrible spot, but and then that's when the distractions came in and pulling me away and stuff, and I was just like, oh my gosh. And of course I didn't set nothing to protect myself. I would have been stopped out anyway if I did, but man, so I'm frustrated out. And then I'm all that.
Yo, ES, that is diabolical, man. She's been doing that to me all day. She's been doing that to me all day. Thank you. Thank you. All right, yo, this trade is gravy, bro. We good. We up. Another successful trade. We up, bro. We up. So we're gonna lock in a lot of this because honestly, I think we could get a pullback, but I mean, we're locking in a lot of this, man. We ain't got nothing but runners on this chart. How does he keep getting away with this? He must be stopped. All right, so but I do expect for the Bears to come in back in this range, though. I mean, we trade in this range, they might actually come back in with some authority and be like, nah. And then that shit is still about to hit your targets too. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, yo. Oh, yeah, I see it. I guess if you would have stayed in it, it would have hit your target. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I probably just at 64.
Oh yeah. I'm sitting. I was on mute the whole time. I'm sitting here talking to myself. uh, but yeah, to kind of go off of what you were saying, I can see the shorts, the Bears coming in here as well. That's why I had these targets up here initially. All right, I'm all out. That was frustrating.
But hey.
That was frustrating. How much? I still got a little bit left. All right. Short this now for bench. Or no? Is it too late? I think the Bulls might control. But no, I don't know yet. They did touch that supply. Yeah, whoever he watched the whole thing. It was so frustrating. So frustrating.
It did tap into it. But like I said, I think because we got this break of structure here, let's see if they hold off that 2K. I mean, that 2K, that 20K level. If they can hold off that 20K level, we can definitely see. Oh, shit, it already reached 20. Huh. It already reached there.
Yeah. Yeah. I was trying to see it hit 30. I think that was one of my targets. I don't know. I'm just so frustrated at that. To barely get, like, after all of this.
No, so let me ask you this. So you want to kind of walk? Well, I'm gonna put you on the stream real quick and kind of you care to share your thought process, why you took the trade and stuff? All right.
Yeah. I mean, initially, yeah. I'll wait till you can put it up.
All right. So, all right, you're on. All right, that should be good right there.
All right. No, hold on. Shoot. Potential. Okay, yeah, let's talk. Forget this trade. Let's talk about it. Okay. So initially, I was short up here. I made, I don't know how much. I think it was like 2K. So almost 3. And then I gave it all back short and down here again, even though I saw I inversed myself initially. That was mistake number 1. So I called out that bounce level at 915. They bounced it at 914. I shorted. I was only trying to get just a few points to like just below down here. It's stupid of me. I should have did that. So that was mistake number 1. I exit, and then I was like, "F it, let me catch the longs." Obviously at the top, and I was only trying to get a few points. Once again, it was like scalps basically. So initially, right here is where I got in long at, and I just really just dumb mistakes because and you got the golden fib here too as a potential reversal level. Just doing dumb things. I was trying to get to 2016 off of this move here, this initial move. They didn't do that, obviously. And then this is where I get called away and everything from the computer. I didn't put no protection on it, so I was down like. If y'all was watching it, I was down like 5K down.
Oh no, I didn't put it on the screen. I didn't. I saw it. I was like, nah, let them focus on this shit.
Well, I wasn't even here for most of it, and I was just like, oh my God. And so I'm like, okay. Then I get back somewhere around here and I see this pump up on this candle here. And I'm like, okay, cool. Then it dumps again back down here, but I see they holding this support. I was like, man, the emotion, yeah, everything I'm going through. I'm like, man, this is just dumb. I just made dumb mistakes after dumb mistakes. Then he pump it back up, right? It's like a 40 point something run.
Mm-hmm.
Gets breaking 93. So I was afraid it was gonna short after tapping VWAP because VWAP was sitting right at my break even, and I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
oh. And then it gets there, something else came up because I was like, man, let me close. I was thinking about closing out up here and just say F it. And then something else came, then it dumps 20 something points. I'm like, yo. And they hold it off here in order to pump it up again. But all these different opportunities that I missed out on because I chose to make a dumb trade. And then I called it out initially, but I didn't take my long here. That was missed opportunity number one.
Mm-hmm.
Just so I mean, I came out green. Um, uh, and then something happened with the copy trading. So this is it's even though it's green, it's just terrible. I just feel like it
You were
was
trying to
not
get back in.
Yeah, I just feel like it's not a successful day. Even though I am green, but I don't know, 2,400 in this one, and like everything's all over the place. 1,800 in this one. Like I don't know what the disconnect was, what happened, but I'm gonna call it before I do anything else stupid today.
Yeah.
Plus, I told you I was like super tired. This account was 2,400. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm all over the place right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I would definitely take that time to I think we're gonna get that drop now. I'll definitely take that time to just reflect on today. Just be glad that you made it out green because man, and going into the
Yeah.
weekend like that would have been frustrating to say the least. And what else is frustrating is when the ES is literally right there at your target and she doesn't take it. That's frustrating.
Yeah. So this 53 point pump is actually a little bit more than that, but initial candle, this 15-minute candle is 53 points.
Mm-hmm.
That's a position. But I see this continuing, like just looking at the structure. I don't know if they're going to take it. They might range solid here, but it looks like trend, looking at it as on the downside, looking at the 15-minute chart.
Yeah, I mean, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say the hourly too. It's like you getting these pumps, yeah, but it's not. The bulls aren't really taking over. The bears.
So for you gold traders out there, you gold traders, uh, I think you guys got a long opportunity on your hands, man. I think you got a long opportunity right here. Huh. You know what we got to do with this? I'm still taking this in the sim. I'm not risking the money that I made today. I'm gonna take this in the sim though.
Taking some. You're gonna be mad if it.
Yeah, I definitely will be.
Like 50 grand.
I definitely would be a little bit upset because of that. But this does look like a long opportunity on the ES. I mean, on the ES, on the gold. You got this big drop down back into this area of supply, or I'm sorry, of demand. You can see that this is the area where they did initially break out. You did see an initial breakout from this area right here. We'll see though.
I do see a higher on the NQ. I do see a higher supply level that they could try to take it to at like 2060, 2070. But I don't know.
Honestly, I don't know if that's like a good stop on gold. We'll rock with it, man. Like I said, but yeah, you can see like I know you was about to say something about the hourly, but the hourly, I mean, we've definitely been the buyers been buying on the hourly chart. I mean, they've been buying ever since we got that composite number at 9. So the bulls have been buying, and I don't believe that the bulls are going to stop buying until they get back up into this range up here. They're going to keep buying until they reach the market objective. I think the market wants to get close to that 50 level. So if we get to like 49, 43, and well, isn't that interesting? You see where the 21 EMA is at that 43 level? Yeah, I think they're going to try to get it to 50. We may see a rejection at 43, like we're kind of seeing right now. But I think the bulls are going to keep buying until they get there. And on the Nasdaq, the same thing. The bulls have been buying. I think they're going to at least try to get it to possibly 37. What do you think? You think 37, 40? Possibly 50?
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah, that's an area I was looking at. Area of curiosity.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, right where it is right now, honestly. But I don't want anybody to be fooled. This looks like a short setup, but you got a range underneath you. And on top of the range being underneath you, the market hasn't crashed down yet. We all know that when the bears come out, we get this. And they haven't crashed this yet. All right, so I think I'm down. Oh, I am down in my gold. All right, so like a point. So right now, this right here, this move right here, I'm on 3 contracts. I'm down $500. So this can't be. I don't know how gold calculates. I know it's like $10 per tick, but it can't be $10 per tick because I'm down about $800 with this move right here. And if I'm down $800, like I caught this whole. Well, I guess this whole move was like about 9K. Actually, no. All right, so okay, let's do that. I'm about to. It's $12.50 per tick on gold. Yo, hold on, gold is like that.
I thought it was like $5.
I thought it was like, yeah, I thought it was like $5 or $10 too. It's $12.50 per tick. Did they go up on gold?
So you trying to make that money?
I mean, we can verify that. Yo, they went up $2 on gold. That's interesting. Yeah. It's like, nah, we ain't $10 no more. We $12 and we 50 cents.
It's like we on ES level now.
Currency futures. Commodities, metal futures, gold. Oh shit. Hold on, this thing is saying, okay, so they saying that micro gold is $10. They're saying that micro gold is $10.
No way. What are you looking at? Hold on, let me see.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let's look at this real quick. They're trying to say that, per tick on micro gold is $10. Because I was like, hold on. I know the freaking gold is not $100 per tick. Man, let's look at this shit, man. Because now, okay, if gold is like that, we trading gold, baby. If gold is like that.
I knew you was gonna say that. I don't think I could be a gold trader. I tried trading gold in the past. I mean, I probably could if I put in the screen time and the effort, but because I almost compare everything to the Nasdaq and its volatility and how great it is.
Yeah. Okay, no, it's okay. So no, it's $10 per tick. It's $10. I was like, there ain't no fucking way, dude. All right, so that's a dollar. Hold on. What just happened? All right, so it's 8 ticks. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
I was saying Nasdaq trying to pump.
All right, so it is $10 per tick. I was like, yo, let this shit be $100 per tick, yo. Let this shit be $100 per tick. We going straight to Apex, baby. We about to gamble. 300K account, baby. Let's go. All right, so yeah, it's $10 per tick. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm good on this. I think I'm good. I can actually move this stop up now. I mean, so I kind of want to expand on trading the ES, or not the ES, but the Nasdaq, because it's been a while. I haven't felt some of the. It's been a while since I felt some of the emotions with the Nasdaq that I don't feel with when I trade the ES. Kind of like what Smith said about him trying to get them extra points. That shit is so fucking real. I don't know why it is that way, but yesterday I was up like 2K, 3K in a position, and I looked at the screen and said, that shit is not enough. And I don't know why. I really don't know why that emotion is so strong trading the NASDAQ. And I will always say, newer traders, just trade the ES.
Modification rejected.
That's all you got here. Oh, you bitch. No way.
Yeah. Oh, you see that? Y'all see that?
No way.
Okay. Okay, I'll put it down below. Oh, I only got one left. Okay.
Okay.
Stopped out.
All right, so I'm just gonna trail this. I'm not playing this stupid game with the ES. The ES just been doing that all day to me. It got this is literally a tick. It stopped a tick before my target and dropped. Yo, what's up with that, ES? What did I do to you?
Yeah. Same thing happened to me. Mine was like, well, I didn't measure it, but it's like 2 ticks. Look like it was like about 2 ticks or so.
Ah, dude.
A lot.
Huh.
All right, I feel better. I'm done.
Huh.
I'm done.
Yeah, because yeah. This is definitely an area where the bears can definitely come in right here. Definitely coming right here. Yo, that's diabolical, ES. That's diabolical, dude. Like it ran up and then it literally a tick away from my target, yo. What's up with that? What's up?
It's crazy. 6. Okay. That one's 26. Hold on. What's the stats of these ones? Oh,
damn.
Believe it or not, that's perfect.
Okay. All right. Okay. Oh my God. This is some real psychology here. I'm giving up 6 points because I missed 2. This is real psychology here with that target. I'm giving up 6 points because I missed 2 points. Okay.
Dang, yeah. That's dirty.
Yes. Why are you making me do this? Why are you making me do it? I can't do it. I can't do it, dude. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Close it out. Close it out.
No, I'm not closing it out, but having these trailing this to stop right here.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing right now.
It could bounce here.
It could. That's why I was like, all right, so I'll just keep it right here underneath VWAP. I'll just keep it here underneath VWAP. Yo, that's so diabolical. I just gave up 12 points. I just gave up 12 points. Oh, I just gave up 12 points for 2.
And that's the part. That's the psychology part. That's the part to be messing us up.
Yeah, well, shit, not the psychology, but the emotional part. I literally gave up 2. I literally gave up 12 points for 2 points, yo.
See if it holds this trend line here.
Yo, that's nasty work, man. But damn, that's nasty. Yo, that was nasty. ES.
That's an NQ type of nasty move.
She said, you trading over there trading the ES or the Nasdaq, why don't I be like her? Since you love her so much. Since you want to talk to her and be with her so much. Why don't I start acting like her? Yo, that was crazy. Literally a tick. Literally a tick. Whew. All right, so let's look at the NQ. I mean, what time is it? It is almost about that time. It is almost about that time. I'll end this stream about like 10:45, so we can just go into the weekend. We're green today. I mean, shit. If y'all took that gold short from the NA meeting last night, you're green. We took this Smith's call out at 9:14. You're green. Our trade on the ES at 19. You're green. So, I mean, today's a green day all around.
Yeah. I'm not particularly happy about my performance, even though I'm green. It worked out this time. They usually don't work out like that. So
yeah,
I'll take it.
Yeah, we'll take the win, baby. We'll take it.
Yeah. Keep inversing myself, not taking my own call outs. Like that meme I sent you. It was like, see, I told you right here. It was going to bounce perfectly off its support zone. Oh, how much you up? Did you take it?
Nah, I didn't take it. Nah, I didn't take
it. Bro, what? Gotta execute. $10 a tick. Wow. Wait, I thought we said it was $12.50 a tick. Which one is that? Micro gold is $10 a tick?
No. Well, I mean, JC said it was $12.50. We looked on Apex. It said that the micros were like $10, and that the full version of gold is $100. I think that it must be wrong, obviously, because I mean we took the trade and it was $10 per tick, and this is the full size with gold, so it was 10 cents per tick. Yeah, I think this was a failure. This is actually probably going to the downside, honestly. I mean, unless the bulls hold it here, this is going down, and I don't care to. Damn, if I get stopped out, I gave up 12 points, and man, I'm just gonna close the charts after this. Man, that was diabolical, ES. You could at least took me out on this. But I've already taken majority of my profits, so it's not. These are all runners. These have no pressure on it. Even though I do have half a contract still left.
Yeah, I'm about to head out. Yeah, can't I'm so tired. I can't look at any charts anymore.
All right, no problem, man. We appreciate you joining, man. We always enjoy when we can have both commentary from both sides. But all right, man.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll catch y'all do it again Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Peace.
All right. Peace.
Good morning, Matt Moxie, and we'll definitely we'll end the stream around like 10:45. Just go into the weekend, close the charts, take that deep breath. We survived another week. We survived. I think I'm going to get stopped out of this one. This one sucked. Like I said, I don't know why she did that to me. I don't know why. I mean, I talk to her nice. I write her love letters every night. I take her out. I show her off, get her nails done, all that, show her off. And she does this to me right here. Damn it. Okay, whatever. Oh my God, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. That freaking hurt. Oh, that hurt. Shit. All right. Okay. Yeah, honestly, I think with that sweep of liquidity, I did expect for the market to do that. Right there. If not, if I get stopped out of this one, I'm still up on the play, obviously. All right. Okay. All right. So, unfortunately, this is a 12-point drop. That just sucks. That sucks. I didn't get filled on this order. All right. I'm all out. I ended the day up almost $1,200. Obviously, I gave up about like 500 with that drop. All right, I'm just gonna close the charts off that one. I'm gonna close the charts because I'm not gonna try to revenge trade and hopefully this order right here doesn't get filled because I no longer want to trade in this area. Hopefully this doesn't get filled, and it won't let me cancel it or move it or anything. So, but all right, guys, that's it for this stream. Appreciate you guys joining. I'm gonna start working on some new things over the weekend. We do have about a month before Smith comes back. And once Smith comes back and we can get this operation back up and running, I'm going to make the assumption that he's going to focus more on the Nasdaq and I'll focus more on the ES, so we can serve both indices and we can serve two audience at the same time. So yeah, I'm actually look into that. I'm gonna look to see if I can, because this is crazy, because this is like, it happens like for some reason on Fridays, this likes to happen and they don't want to cancel it, but if price does touch this, it's going to fill. So I'm going to look into that. I'm going to look into that. All right, guys, I appreciate you joining, and we'll do this again next week. Peace out.